So it took a week for the new part to come in, but I've got it. The new throttle body, part number 2. As you recall from the previous video, part number 1 did not fit. If you own a 2002 to 2006 Altima, be aware that this diameter here can be 60 or 70 millimeters. My model is a 70 millimeter. Previous part was a 60 millimeter. Might be been able to rig it or something, but no. So here's the old one. They're the same size. I'll be slapping that in, and then we'll be checking the the short-term fuel trims to see if that doesn't get corrected. Be back in a bit. Started the car with the new throttle body. I expect I'll have to relearn it for the new car that it is now installed into. But gotta let the engine warm up first. I'm going to be monitoring the short-term and other engine statistics once I get this to boot up. Okay, so let me go to live data. So it's running really fast right now. It's because the throttle body hasn't been learned yet, but again, I need to let the engine warm up before I attempt it. So right now the engine temperature is at 113, still cold, just started it. Let's see what the throttle position's at. Well, it's at 3.5. That doesn't look very good. Oh, but I haven't relearned it yet, so once it's relearned it should go to 0, right? Well, we'll find out. I'll be back after the engine warms up. Okay, car's warmed up. You know how I know? Because the throttle is going in and out. It's revving up high, then dropping off, then revving up high. That tells you right there that the throttle needs to be relearned. So let's do that now. You can refer to my other video on this. Hopefully I can do it on the first try. I haven't done this in a while. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, gotta do it again. I think I only pushed the pedal 3 times. I need to do it 5. That was my bad. Try it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relearning. See if that does any better. Oh yeah. All right. I've got one other relearn sequence I need to do. That's the 0 position. So what you do there is you pull the key out, turn it on, don't start the car, just let it sit. Do this 3 times. All right, that's 1. This is 2. Okay, uno más. Okay, let me get my sensor to reconnect to the engine or to the car. and it's trying to connect. Car seems to be running very nicely. Seems to be pretty smooth. All right, let's look at live data. Where is it? All right, so relearn was successful. Engine's running great. Temperature is 194, looks good. O2 bank 1 is 0.67 volts. I think that's probably fine. O2 bank, I'm sorry, that was sensor 2. Sensor 1 bank 1 is 0.3. That's looking good. Look at the short term. 3.9%, 4.7. Well, where's the throttle position? That's probably what I need to look at. Absolute throttle position 0.8. I may have to relearn that to get it better. But that's looking better as far as response. Oh, I don't know. That doesn't seem right. That does not seem right. Great. Apparently that throttle body is not why the throttle position is not correct. Huh. Now it's not learning. It lost its idle relearn, or idle program was lost. Why? Oh man, I wonder if I got a faulty throttle body. It's not even responding. Well, let me relearn it, see if that makes a difference. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's relearning. Now I've got an engine light. See what that's about. Did I forget to plug something in? Got a P2101 throttle actuator control motor, so it's got a problem there. Idle control system, RPM. Okay, so yeah, those are throttle body related. Let me try to do the relearn again. Got a sneaky suspicion this throttle body's no good. Still got an engine code. Let me clear it. Okay, engine code came right back. There is definitely something weird with the throttle body because it's not responding. All right, and I'll be back. I tried to get it to relearn. I even reviewed my notes. I am doing it correctly. This throttle body must be bad. Even the old one would program. This one's not. So I'm going to remove it and send it back to the seller. That's it for this video.